Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this small video to explain why that Magic IBE is not working on your computer. So let's get started. All right, so once you have this 5 minute chart here open, let's say I have it here, pound Aussie M5, right? And then before you, and I'm going to take this indicator out from here, okay? I'm going to delete it. Right? No. So this is deleted, right? So this indicator will not work unless you fix your MT4 first. What I mean by fixing the MT4 is that make unable to work with uh, the ES expert advisors. Okay. So the thing that you need to do is to go to tools before you do anything. Before you do open a 5 minute chart or whatever. And then after that, you go in tools and then you go in options. And then you see this button here, expert advisor. Click on this and then you see these boxes. You have a lot of boxes there, right? So make sure that you have first one checked here, like just like that. And then the second, third, and fourth are unchecked, which says disable and disable and disable, right? And then the fifth one, which says allow DLL imports, you check that as well. And the last one says allow web requests, disable that. Okay, uncheck that. Only two boxes will be checked: allow automated trading and allow DLL imports. Once you do that, you just click OK. Now your MT4 is ready to work with the expert advisor. So now you can go ahead and apply that Enco chart builder and load the setting, right? If you have it saved. If not, then just redo it. And 20 minute appointment. Okay, and then you have all the settings here, and then make sure that you have the price is 1.8191. We will make it 1.9191, right? That's the rate is 9191. And then you'll see that you will get the messages immediately. See that? Couple of messages, right? Open 20-minute offline chart, open 40-minute offline chart. That's how you're supposed to do it. The reason that you don't get these messages because you have not done that. What I just did. So make sure you do that first, and then apply this indicator here, right? And then it will work. You will get the messages. Then go on offline here and open these offline charts, and then apply the template, and you will have it, right? Right here, my 20-minute chart, and it's my 40-minute chart. All right. So what are we having here now? Pound Aussie, 40-minute, 81.37. That's what I was thinking. That is gonna come down and bounce, and it is bouncing. Reversal candle in place. Now you wait for 7-minute long entry, which I will be getting soon. So after that, I will jump in on this one. 81.37 on my other computer. I'm watching it. Okay. So yes, it is still it's a no man's land on a 7-minute chart. So let's see if it becomes bullish and give me a nice long entry. So this is how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.